In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a specific time in Google Calendar. Let's get started right from your Google Calendar home screen. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you're on the calendar view you prefer, such as week or month view. The steps will be the same no matter which view you're using. First, look for the Create button. You'll usually find this near the top left of your screen. It might appear as a rectangular button labeled Create, or as a plus icon, depending on your version or screen size. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start adding anything new to your calendar, whether it's an event, a task, or another type of entry. Once you click Create, a small panel or pop-up window will appear. In this panel, you'll see different options, and the one you want to choose is Event. Click on Event to open the full event details. This tells Google Calendar that you're scheduling something that happens at a specific time, like a meeting, appointment, or reminder that you want to see in your schedule. After you select Event, you'll see fields for the event title, date, time, and other details. To set a specific time, focus on the time section next to the date. You'll see a start time and an end time. Click directly on the time field. When you do this, a drop-down or time picker will appear, showing common time options like 9 o'clock AM, 9:30 AM, 10 to 2 AM, and so on. You can choose one of these suggested times by clicking on it, or you can type your own specific time if you need something more precise, like 9:15 AM or 2:10 PM. Make sure you adjust both the start time and the end time so your event is the correct length. For example, if you want a 1-hour meeting, you might set the start time to 3 o'clock PM and the end time to 4 o'clock PM. If your event lasts all day, you can toggle off the specific time and use the all day option. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on setting an exact time. Once your time is set, you can optionally add other details like location, description, or guests. When you're happy with everything, click Save, and your event will appear on your calendar at the exact time you chose.